Good day, M6208. Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello. Good day. I'm Ellen Prado I'm living in Cavite, in Philippines. I'm 46 years old. I have four children. My youngest is 9 years old. My second is 22 years old. Two boys and four girls. Next is 24 years old and my eldest is 27, going to 27 years old.
Your highest educational attainment.
I graduate in high school.
Okay, your civil status.
I'm single parent.
You are a single parent.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a lot of experience from Dubai, right? Which is Dubai UAE for your first employer, and your second employer is also in Dubai. On your first employer, tell me about your experience.
Since 2006 to 2008, I'm working in Fujairah, in Dubai Fujairah. I have they have two children. I took the newborn and 5 years old. Then after finish my contract, I'm going home. I take care of my kids. Then after, I decided to work again in Dubai
Okay, for your second
for
employer.
second employer.
Okay.
Then I'm working on 2014 to 2019
Okay.
to my second employer. They have one kids.
Which
I
is a
took it
newborn
the
baby, right?
newborn baby.
Okay.
Then I took it also the dogs, two dogs.
Okay, and you are the one who also do the household chores, right?
Yeah, I do
Okay.
cleaning and everything in the house.
Okay, so you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby from your first employer to your second employer. So you know
Yes.
how to prepare a meal for a newborn, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, and you know how to care of a newborn, right?
Yes.
Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I'll check the temperature. Then I'll check the maybe is hungry. Then I give them a milk. I'll check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
If the baby is not stop crying, didn't stop crying, then I will call to her parents or to my employer.
And what will you say to the employer?
And I will tell I don't know how to stop the baby
To cry.
to cry. Yes.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do. You have to
Yes.
call the employer's attention. Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I decided to work in Hong Kong because I think it's much better in Hong Kong than I need money to my children because I have small baby, small kids, 9 years old. So she still studies, and also I have second children. So
Okay,
they
so
they
you
going
want to
to
work.
college.
Okay, so you want to work in Hong Kong for your
Yeah.
children's schooling, right?
Yeah, for
Okay.
schooling.
So how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want 2 years or more.
Okay, so it is okay to extended your
Yeah.
contract. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't know I don't know idea to prepare the Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
If my employer teach me, or I'll check the YouTube also.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do. You could ask your employer if they
Yeah.
can teach you, right? Okay. It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yeah.
If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yeah. It's okay.
How about sharing room with kids?
Okay. Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yes.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
I will do everything. Then I'm willing to learn. Um, if you hire me, I'm willing to learn and do everything, and I promise I'm trustworthy and loving.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Ellen. Thank you.
Thank you.